What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lexupnext, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to the series. As y'all know, or y'all should know by now, I have started a Becoming a Pro MUA makeup series on my YouTube channel. If y'all haven't already, go check out my last two videos. Those was the ones right before I dropped this one. This one is episode number 3. So I know my last video, it was a little lengthy, but I had to get all that information out here. This video is not going to be as long as the last video, but it is going to be really detailed. So make sure y'all stay tuned and watch this video to the end, period. And y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, go follow my Instagram, my TikTok. Go follow all of that. I'm gonna put that on the screen down below, and you can just go follow me from those. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the topic for this video. This video is for maximizing your profit as a makeup artist. Now, everybody want to be a makeup artist, but do everybody know how to make the most money when you are a makeup artist? Probably not. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to tell you how you can make multiple streams of income under the umbrella of a makeup artist. Not only is this going to help y'all in slow seasons, it's going to help you expand what you know and your skills, which is going to help pull in different types of clients. And that's what you want. You want different types of clients. The more clients you get, the more money you make. First, you want to build a strong brand. Your brand is who your business is. It's like a personality for your business. Your brand can consist of websites, logos, color schemes, or anything that's going to depict you as a brand. Your brand should stand out from the next brand. I have my own logo for my brand. I have a specific colorway that I use for my brand. These colors can be what you use on your Instagram, what you use on your website, what you use on in your logo, and what you use when you post in flyers. You can use those same exact colors in the flyers, so whenever somebody see this color scheme, they know who brand it is. Your brand should also have a catchy name, or a name that everybody will know you as or know your brand as. My brand is called Lexupnext. I chose this as my brand name because that was what I wanted my Instagram name to be, and then from there I got an LLC. I got just everything surrounded around Lexupnext. I made it my Instagram name, my TikTok name, and I did that way whenever somebody looks up Lexupnext, they're always going to find me. No matter if they look it up on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you're going to find me. So I stuck with that name, I made it my brand, and now it's who I am. Now, your brand don't necessarily have to be who you are or show your face or anything like that. It can just be solely about your business. But I want it to be the face of my own brand. You don't have to be the face of your brand, but all of that is up to you. When somebody sees that you have a strong brand, they see that your brand is well put together, that it just shows more professionalism. It shows that you may know what you're doing, and it just attracts more people. If more people are attracted to your brand, that brings more clientele, which brings more money. You also want to specialize in multiple things. So when I say specialize, I mean I specialize. If you see my last video, I said I specialize in soft makeup, I specialize in glam makeup, I specialize in bridal makeup, editorial makeup, I specialize in Halloween makeup, mannequin makeup, which is mannequins, literally what it sounds like, mannequins makeup. I do mannequin makeup. The more you specialize in and the more you expand your skills, the more people you can attract and the more money you can make. So if I solely did soft looks, I will only attract the people that want soft makeup. If I solely did bridal, I will only attract bridal parties. If you specialize in multiple things, you will literally attract those type of clients. So the more you specialize in, the more clients it's gonna get. I would say to start off with 2 things to specialize in if you're just now beginning. Do not try to stretch yourself thin, because that can be overwhelming and that could cause you to literally not even want to do makeup anymore. Start with at least 2 things, and then from there add to your list. So another good way you can maximize your profits as a makeup artist is to not only provide services, but provide things that you can make passive income off of. So everybody knows when you run a business or you're a service provider, you will have slow seasons, and that's just a fact. You will come into slow seasons. You have to figure out when is your particular slow season for what you do. But when those slow seasons arise, when they come into play, you gotta have a backup plan. Not even a backup plan, but some way to still make money. So if you're not able to do physical services, you need to have some way to still be making money behind the scenes. So you could sell digital products, you could sell online courses, you could sell makeup products, come out with your own makeup line, and this is how you will still make money if you don't have any clients. So if you just say you don't have any clients for the week, you could still make a good amount of money if you're upselling your other services. So making the TikToks, making the reels, sending out the emails, telling people you having sales deals, or just anything, promoting your products, promoting your ebooks, promoting your online courses. That will be you upselling, and that will maximize your profits as a makeup artist. Providing only physical services is not going to make you a millionaire. It's not going to make you rich. There's a cap on how much you can make as a physical service provider. So it's 24 hours in a day. Realistically and comfortably, you wouldn't want to work all 24 hours, because I mean, if you did, you could make a bunch of money. If you work 24 hours straight every day, you could make a bunch of money. But realistically, that'll be bad. It'll be bad physically, you mentally, it'll just be bad all around. So you can't do that. You only can work a certain amount of hours in a day and a certain amount of hours per week. So that's the cap amount of money that you could possibly make providing that service. You're going to get tired, you're going to get sleepy, you're going to need sleep, you're going to have to eat. So providing a service and selling other products, that's going to help you to become a millionaire or rich faster. Whenever you're doing a client's makeup, you want to also upsell services. You can upsell diamonds, you can upsell a wing liner, you can upsell glitter. Whatever you charge extra for, you could upsell it. And not only that, if you sell makeup products, once you put it on them, you could tell them, oh, this is cute, I have my own brand right here, this is what I use, would you like to, you know, do you do your own makeup, or do you do your own lipstick, or whatever the case may be. You could purchase some of my lipstick, my lip gloss, and take it with you. So whenever you need a touch up, just upselling whatever you have or whatever you do to make you extra money. It's kind of like a marketing tactic, but you got to know how to kind of sneak it into the, not even sneak it, you kind of got to know how to intertwine it into what you're doing and in the conversation that you're having with your client. That's going to maximize profits too. Networking with other people, with photo shoots, hairstylists, photographers, anybody that need makeup, networking with them, collabing with them, having them promote their work, but at the same time they're promoting your work because your work is in the picture. That's how you're going to reach other audiences that are potentially new clientele. Client retention. So your client needs a reason to come back. Not only should they like your work, they should want to come back because you've given them some type of incentive. Now, everybody don't have to do this, but it just makes sense. I offer loyalty cards. Loyalty cards are basically when your client comes, you get them a loyalty card, you stamp the loyalty card, and on a certain number of visit, or you know, you can get money off, or you can get it free, a free service, or whatever you want to give your client. If the client comes back a certain amount of times, then you give them that incentive that you offered. This will keep that client coming back because they want to get that free service. They want to get that half off price. So if it's not until the 5th visit that they get this free service, they're going to keep coming back so they can get their card stamped, so they can eventually get that free service. That's what's going to keep the retention of a client. Of course, the quality of your work, the way you do things, the experience that they get when they come into your vicinity. Make sure people are getting a good experience, one that they remember. So offer them snacks, offer them wine, offer them drinks. Have something set up where they can watch TV, where they feel real comfortable and cozy and whatever is needed, so they can remember the experience, remember your customer service, remember the vibes. When people remember that, plus they like the quality of your makeup, that's going to keep them coming back. That's going to have them refer the next person, and that's going to expand your profits. Now, I had somebody ask me, should they get a booking site? Now, I'm not saying go get a booking site, especially if you're just beginning and you barely have clientele. That means you're going to be paying out of pocket. If you're not making the money to even pay for the site, it's really pointless. But clients like convenience. Everybody likes convenience. A lot of people like convenience. But clients like convenience. So if they don't have to come to your DMs just to DM you to ask you how much a service is or can I book and what I got to do to book, if you make it easier for them to just go to your site and book, it's more likely that that client will do that. Some people don't want to take the time out to have to message you, figure out what's the pricing, because they don't have no price list nowhere. Some people don't want to do that, so some people do not. They just don't even take the time. They look, they see that they can't find your prices anywhere, or they can't just go straight and book, so they go find somebody else. Now, like I said, this is not everybody, because some people, they're okay with going into your DMs and asking prices and DMing you and figuring out how to pay. But others, and most people, they like to be able to just go in here and book it themselves and have everything set up and sent to them. So me personally, I believe that having a booking site will maximize your profits, because people are going to go in there and be able to book automatically. Nobody's really going to be turning away saying, oh, you know, unless it's just something wrong with your site or you're yelling at them and you're you're yelling at them in your on your booking site. But if that's not the case, people just want convenience, and when something is inconveniencing them, sometimes they turn away. Another big thing that can maximize profits is teaching. You want to teach what you know. If you're really good at doing any type of service, you want to teach other people how to do it, because a lot of people are out here looking to learn. Come out with courses, come out with ebooks, come out with YouTube videos, come out with one-on-one classes, come out with online classes. All of that is going to maximize your profit. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all got something from it. So this was episode 3 on how to maximize your profits as a makeup artist. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.